army of floofs. Welcome to another Terraria video. I say another, this is my first one. Hopefully, maybe my friend, Catman or Dogman will join. I don't know. And maybe even my little brother. Ouch. Okay, you... Okay, you can teleport to me. Look out, spider. What did you do? You're a big dumb. You're a big dumb! You son of a...
Cake. He said son of Santa. Still can't hear me though.
You're gonna have to walk all the way back. There's another wormhole potion. If you want to be helpful, place down torches. Yeah? Yes, I see those 3. Yeah, but I already broke 2. We don't have strong enough pickaxes. Place torches. Please. Look out. Luckily, I gave you that wormhole potion.
I need gel.
Can you teleport back to come get your money? It's like either come get your money or I'm taking it. Okay, I got your gold. And I know that placing down all these torches are going to give us bad luck. But I'm not making a bunch of crimson torches.
Help, help. Oh, I have one. That's strong, boy.
There's another wormhole potion.
I only have 3 torches.
But your gun's a lot more accurate than mine, so. Yeah, no, this should be good to fight him. Come on! Look out!
How many? Oh my god. It's on fire.
Why is he down there?
I'm scared.
Well, yeah, you should be scared.
I have to wait like. I think I'll be back in 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Can I join? At the right time. No.
Don't worry, our knockback should keep him away.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Nice.
Man, there goes like 5 gold.
Don't worry, I'll collect it. So 5, 6, 7. You had 7 gold.
No, that was my last bit of gold.
Also enhance my quad barrel shotgun. Okay, well, that is a beautiful note to end today's episode on. Oh, wait. Boop. Now I have a fart chasing me. So, I hope you enjoyed today. Please subscribe. Go check out Catman or Dogman's. He should really decide which one he wants his name to be. Yes, that's how you spell it. Go check it out, please. He's really good friend of mine. And I will see my fuzzy army in tomorrow's video. See ya.